Hi, I'm Clif Albino, the tax-free income guy. Most financial planners have no idea that an IRS-approved tax-free, risk-free, principal-protected solution for retirement has been around for many years. More importantly, it can outperform a mutual fund, a Roth, a regular IRA, or a 401k. This IRS-approved tax strategy includes Section 72E, which provides tax-free growth, Section 7702, which allows tax-free access, and the money left behind when you pass is given to your beneficiaries tax-free under Section 101A. Let's start at the beginning and assume you want the most possible income from every dollar invested and you're worried about taxes going up. The answer, my friends, is Index Universal Life. It will allow you to take more principal and interest out than anything else. Now, don't worry about the laws changing because you'll be grandfathered and protected by Article 1, Section 9 of the U.S. Constitution, which means it's to the benefit of the person who has the existing policy because the new law affects policies issued after yours. Call me if you need clarification. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Okay, you're going to start this plan and pay premiums for at least 5 years. The company invests about 97% of your premiums into investment-grade bonds. The other 3% is used to purchase an option in an index like the S&P 500. So none of your money is in the market. When the market is up, the company exercises the option and you get most of the growth. This is the index credit that you receive. If the market goes down, the option expires without any value and you do not lose a penny. You get most of the gain and none of the losses. Another benefit is knowing the state insurance commissioners require capital reserves of the company to be equal to the contractual guarantees. After you perform your due diligence, it will be apparent that the tax-free retirement plans I design have less expenses than mutual funds. A study this year by Dalbar showed in the last 20 years, investors earned average annualized returns of 4.23% from U.S. stock mutual funds. The S&P 500 generated over 8% during the same 20-year period. Many have wondered why. In a word, expenses. A Morningstar analysis showed fees from 1% to over 1.5%. Then you add in transaction costs, there's another 1.5% to 2.5%. Now, my tax-free retirement plans that I design, they'll last as long as you, and they have average annual expenses over that same 20-year period for 1%, and they're decreasing with time. These low average expenses are just one of the many reasons my retirement plans work so well. If you or your CPA or your attorney have any questions, feel free to call me, and we can discuss this in detail until everyone is satisfied and comfortable. One of the more exciting aspects of these plans, and my favorite, is the income they generate. Most of these plans outperform a qualified plan by at least double. Qualified plans like 401ks, 403bs, 457s, even IRAs. This is done through loans which are not income and not taxable. According to the IRS, a loan is not income because you have not taken constructive receipt of the money. The loan is money borrowed from the company. An equivalent amount in your policy is held as collateral, which continues to participate in the index crediting. With the better companies, you'll experience 2% to 4% average net growth on the amounts borrowed. It's like having a 3% mortgage and getting 8% on your money. The other money in the account is not yet loaned out, and that gets the full interest credit without any interest expense. These income payments can also be structured to keep up with inflation. Also, do not have to pay back the loan, and the company will make sure that you have a policy for as long as you live. Let me ask you some questions. Are you worried about higher taxes? Are you upset about losing money? Is the fear about living your money keeping you up at night? What about inflation? Is your financial picture outdated? If so, it's time to get informed because knowledge is financial freedom and it will allow you to relax and enjoy retirement. Daily, what's the best place for people to get a hold of me?
You can call Clif the Tax-Free Guy at 262-893-9853 or email clifalbino@taxfree123.org and visit the website at taxfree123.org.
Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.